Hey, what's up, Tron holders? So this is an emergency update for all TRX holder. You know what's the emergency? First of all, I want to tell you the emergency. The emergency is that, my friend, you can see here change occur last 7 days, last 24 hours, last 1 hour. This coin is completely go in the moon now. So therefore, I just emergency. I make an emergency video for all of you. To you, don't do any mistake, my brother, and be safe and from lost, because this time you can see this is the profit time. All crypto market is wake up, but Tron is one of the unique and it is priority from a lot of coins. So therefore, you can see whether the chain occur will be positive now. And the price is continuously increasing now. 0.07 USD dollar is the price. So you know, my brother, why this coin is starting for now? Because holders are hold it and they are investing more and more. So my friend, if you could see at this time, the last 7 days what is on the screen, and the main reason is that after a failed every cryptocurrencies take a very huge jump now. So this time, my friend, if I predicate this coin exactly, you understand to really there is a chance they will move upward or not. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Please subscribe. This time, my friend, you can see after this jump they fails down very badly, but after this, my friend, you can see they continuously starting moving upward now, and the direction is completely the arrows is completely moving upward now. So therefore, I will tell you, my brothers, and absolutely, my friend, if you know, I already tell you, my brothers, to this time they will move upward now. So I will tell you, my brothers, to upcoming time there is more chances they will wake up and go in the moon now. So TRX, one of the fastest coin in the crypto market, and personally my opinion is that to please hold it. My opinion is that to please hold it, because I know, my brothers, to in the end of month they will give you a very good profit, and it's possible, my friends, so they will hit 0.5 USD dollar just in only, my friend, at the end of month if they will wake up again now. So let's see, my brothers, to throw what they do, my friend, but kindly you need to hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be double now. Thanks for watching, Tron holder. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.